Hey everybody. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It is a rainy morning. Usually I say it's a beautiful overcast. This morning Armand and I are out in the rain here at World Headquarters of Marathon Coach in Coburg. We can look over here and get a good shot of the production floor because the bay doors are open. I just saw the co-host Dave Bash walk by. Couple of coaches you can see in there, and today we're going to be looking at Coach 1240, a beautiful consignment, a 3-year-old marathon, so let's go take a look. All right, everybody, before we go in, let's take a look at the exterior. I love the texturing on this, this X3. This is a 2017, 35,000 miles. This is a great value. If you're looking to get into a pre-owned marathon, this is the one you need to be looking at, everybody. Coach 1240. Bay 1 has a slide out. Bay 2 is a full storage. And then of course Bay 3 over here is your entertainment bay. I'm not going to open those right now because as you can see we've got some significant rain coming down. Let's head on inside. As Armand comes in, I'll let you take a look at the Salon. He can probably pivot around and show you the cockpit as we're leaving. But one of the things that we did prior to going live is, and it's something we really, quite frankly, haven't shown in these coaches a lot. And another thing, someone pointed out to me, and I really appreciate it, I want to show more of the floor. A new customer of mine said, you got to show more of the floor and more of the ceiling. Not a problem. They're absolutely right. Take a look at the beautiful floor. All the way throughout hardwood. This is a tile floor, everybody, and it's heated. And then the ceiling accent lights are on, so we're going to show off the ceiling right now. I've got the accent lights rotating through, and of course you can stop it on any color that you want. Now, one thing that we don't show also usually in the X3 is the co-pilot seat in the cockpit turned around to be part of the Salon. So a lot of people, when they look at these floor plans in the X3, they're like, oh, well, there's only one recliner. It's not true. So Armand can show you the co-pilot seat swivels around to actually be a really nice aesthetic part of the Salon. This is a beautiful coach, very well maintained. Only 35,000 miles on a 2017 coach. This is a great floor plan. I'm going to take you through it real quick and kind of show it to you. And if you're interested in getting into a pre-owned marathon, this is the one, like I said earlier. Great accent lighting throughout. I turned on all of the accent lighting, so all the curios, the valances, the styles, everything's got what you would expect in a marathon. It's going to have all kinds of lights, and then with the flick of one button or the push of one, it's going to take care of all of the lights as a master light. Here in the galley, it's got the Advantium 120 from GE. That's your microwave and convection oven, but also it's going to have the range top here. It's going to have a dish drawer down here, and when we get down to it, I'll show you the Sub-Zero refrigerator, but I wanted to show you the sink. I like this real modern look of the, this is the hot cold filtered water, and this is the faucet here. Sorry, Armand, I'll switch sides with you. This sink is really pretty because it's just a continuation of the Corian countertops. Isn't that nice? Good size sink too. And then if you need space on your countertop, you know, just to put those in there like that. So good storage, of course, throughout. Actually, this is not a push-pull. This is actually open storage, so you can open up these compartments and get additional storage. Storage above and below in the dinette. Dinette, as you well know, swivels in and out and around for ease of getting in and out. And then, just like you would find on a yacht, storage behind the seating in the galley. And of course, storage underneath the jackknife sofa here in the Salon. Sub-Zero refrigerator, very nice. I'm a big fan, if you can see right here, take a look at this laminate. This is the laminate that runs all throughout on the walls. It's kind of a tannish, creamish taupe. I just gave you 3 different colors. Isn't that nice? This picture right here is of Multnomah Falls, which is just east of Portland by about an hour, maybe a little bit less. I grew up in the Portland area, and that's one of the things that Oregonians like to do is go see Multnomah Falls. And I believe this picture was taken by the people that own this coach. And like I mentioned earlier, this is a consignment. So take a look at that. Galley above and below. Into the midship. This is a really, really nice full tile shower. Take a look at that. I'm going to have Armand come this way, and then he can I'll narrate for you guys what you're seeing. But that is a full tile shower with good lighting on the inside. And then right outside on the same side, which is the driver's side, you've got this large vanity. Now this is a large vanity, and I'm a big fan of the real estate that you have here to put items that when you're getting ready, or to put your watch and whatever you have here. Storage above and below, and of course the oatmeal and honey marathon soap. Smells like soap, not oatmeal. That being said, there's the water closet right there on the curbside. And don't forget that in every marathon coach of this era, there are pocket doors that close off the salon, pocket doors that close off the water closet, and pocket doors that close off the bedroom, which Armand is now in. And I am going to shut that door real quick just so you can see. Everything can be closed off so you can have everything separated if someone wants to take a nap, or some privacy in the bedroom while there's entertainment happening out here. They can do so. Pocket doors are a great way to utilize privacy without doors being in your way. Swing doors, there's only one swing door in this coach, and that's the glass shower door. So that's the way it should be. Now, here in the bedroom, lots of storage. Storage below and above the television. Storage, this is on the side. Look at the size of this shirt closet. Big shirt closet, lots of storage below it. And then of course below the TV, it's got lots of storage below the TV and on the sides of the TV. I really like this tile also that was selected over here. And of course, as you can see, I've got the backsplash on it. I can turn the backsplash on and off. It's really nice. And then also above the bed, there is storage, four drawers. These go out like this, and these go up like that. Very nice. And there's 2 more over there. And then you've got a full closet in the rear of the coach. Good natural light in here also. As you can see, you've got the good utilization of the Prevo natural light, even though you've got the large Samsung TVs. That's another thing to mention. There are Samsungs throughout. There's actually 4 smart 4K TVs in this coach. And then you've got the large closet in here. You've got the hanger bar here, audio visual on the driver's side, and on the curb side or the patio side, the stacking ASCO washer dryer. And then over here, you've got little cubbies for more storage. And I'm well, let's say I'm 5'11". I used to be 6 foot, right? I'm standing up back here, and that'll kind of give you an idea of just how large it is back here. And if you don't want your closet exposed, and we don't want you exposing ourselves, if someone can tell me what movie that's from, other than my sister who's probably watching, you win points for telling me what movie that line's from. You can have this closed, and it's fully mirrored, so it adds dimension when it's closed. I'm a big fan, as you well know, of keeping it open unless there's a bunch of clothes that you don't want to show. The bed articulates up, for the lack of a better term, and down. So not only does it act for comfort when you want to watch TV or sit up in bed and read, but also it gets out of the way of the bedroom, so you have more additional room here. And then when it's time to go to bed, all you do is you come over here, or the switch group that's over there by the bed, and lay it down. And then when it's laid down, you can see all of that natural light over there. And then you can put the bed up. So if you're interested in getting into a pre-owned marathon, don't look any further than Coach 1240. This is an excellent, well-maintained coach. Yeah, 35,000 miles, well-maintained, heated floors, great style. This has really good style to it, good colors, and it's ready to go. Should we take a look at the Cockpit? I love the Cockpit. I've driven this coach. I drove this coach down to Indio. I'm going to shut this entry door because we're going to get a little bit of Interstate 5 in there. Thank you, Armand. Armand just turned off the climate control. The air conditioning really sometimes can interfere with the microphone for you guys to hear me. So real modern styling from the leather wrapped cockpit and the carbon fiber. It's a good look in here. And this is a great driving coach. Like I mentioned earlier, I drove it all the way down to Indio, California and back right before COVID hit. Speaking of COVID, I got my COVID hair still going. So hope everyone is out there being safe. Hope everyone is taking care of each other. If you're looking to get into a marathon, call me, reach out to me, email me, malw, M-A-L-W, at marathoncoach.com. Let me help you through that process. I'll be able to tell you exactly what we have. And one of the things that we do have is Coach 1240. Be yourself and do good things. Take care of each other. And yeah, let's chat, let's talk, reach out to me, and we'll see you next Monday on Marathon Mondays. Thanks, you guys.